When was the last time you checked your savings account? Real talk. Does it look close to what you want it to be? How many years in a row have you worked hard, set money aside, and still feel like nothing is changing? Do you ever wonder how it's possible that some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while you're doing everything you're told to do, but you still are stuck? Maybe you've convinced yourself, I just don't make enough. Or I'm just not disciplined enough. Or better yet, I gotta be missing something. What if I told you the gap between financial stress and financial freedom has nothing to do with how much you make? What if the real difference comes down to one simple mathematical principle that's been hiding in plain sight this entire time? So let's say you got a job and you earn around $45,000 a year and you feel like that's just not enough. You're living paycheck to paycheck, and the only way for you to achieve the lifestyle you want is you basically gotta win the lottery. But if I tell you you're wrong, would you believe me? What if the issue isn't all on you or even your income? What if it's simply what no one never showed you? And that's how money actually multiplies. So have you ever heard of the 8-4-3 rule? It's a compound interest framework, so simple yet so powerful, and it will change how you see money forever. And here's the good news. You don't need to win the lottery. You don't need a second job. You don't need to start a business. You just need to understand a piece of math most people never learn. And once you do, you'll never, ever, ever, ever look at your financial future. Look, there is no way you're going to completely understand what I'm talking about in a 12-minute video. So I want to invite you to our free community, and you will see how our members are getting to $100,000 cash and more in less than 3 years. No business credit cards, no day trading, and no side hustles. In this community, you get to learn about the banking tools we're using to help others get to $100,000 and more in cash liquidity in just under 2 or 3 years. Join, it's free. The link is in the description. Let's say 2 years ago, you started saving because you got to do something, right? And as of today, you have managed to save $1,500. So now you're thinking, dang, it took me 2 years just to get to $1,500. Like, how long is it going to take for me to get to $1 million? Well, friend, at that rate, the math is saying 700 years. Sounds like biblical years, right? Nah, seriously. You're calculating your savings plan using simple addition, and technically that's correct. And technically it's not. This is the math everyone uses. So the number is right, but is it though? The type of growth you actually want is exponential growth, not simple. I know you've heard about compound interest before, right? If you've been watching this channel, I know for certain you have. There is a specific pattern to compound growth, a mathematical rule that governs exactly how compound interest accelerates. It's called the 8-4-3 rule. And once you understand it, you'll never look at investing the same way. Here's what the 8-4-3 rule reveals. Let's say you invest $700 per month at a 10% return. Your first $100,000 takes about 8 years to accumulate. The next $100,000 takes only 4 years. The third $100,000 takes just 3 years. After that, every additional $100,000 comes faster and faster, creating a snowball effect that turns ordinary earners into millionaires. But here's the problem. Most people quit too early in those first 8 years because they don't see dramatic results. They assume it's not working. They pull their money out, they chase the next shiny investment, or worse, they stop investing altogether. This might be you right now. Nah, come here. In fact, it is you. You're definitely wondering if those small monthly contributions are even worth it. And they are. You just don't see what's happening beneath the surface yet. Let me show you exactly how this works using real numbers. If you invest $600 per month at a 10% annual return, here's what's actually happening. Year one, you'll have about $7,600. Not exciting, right? Year five, you're at $46,500. Most people quit before they even reach year five. They're convinced they'll never build real wealth. But this is also where you're approaching the point where you'll begin to see that compound is working. By year eight, you break $88,000. Did you notice something important? Before we go any further, I want you to see something. Of the $88,000, you've only contributed $57,600 of your own money. That extra $30,400 didn't come from you. It came from compounding interest. That's compounding interest starting to work harder than you ever can. This is where the momentum shifts. By year 10, you hit $145,000. You've contributed $72,000, but your account has grown an additional $73,000. Your money did exactly what it was supposed to do. But what's more fascinating is compounding interest is now outpacing your $600 per month. By year 15, you're at $245,000. This is amazing. It's so exciting just for me to even present this to you. You've contributed $108,000, but compound interest has added $137,000. Your investment gains are now outpacing your monthly contribution. This, and all of this is the game changer you've been looking for. This is when your investment starts working harder than you do. By year 20, you're at $445,000. By year 25, you're at $760,000. By year 30, you're over $1.25 million. And remember, it all started with just $600 per month. And of that $1.25 million, you contributed a whopping $216,000. Like, that's over $800,000 in compounding interest. Compound interest did all of the work, and your money multiplied over and over and over. Your Benjamins bought friends. Now let's apply the 843 rule directly. What happens if you increase your investment from $600 to $900 per month? You shorten the timeline dramatically. Instead of reaching 7 figures in 30 years, you've shaved off 5 years, and you reach it in 25 years instead. At $1,200 per month, you get to 7 figures in about 22 years. At this point, the math becomes undeniable. Now, you might be doing the math in your head, and you're wondering if this is even possible. Yep, it is. And numbers, my friends, don't lie. The stock market has returned an average of around 10% annually for nearly 90 years through wars, recessions, pandemics, and every major crisis. But here's what matters most. The 843 rule isn't just about patience. It's about strategy. Once you understand how compound interest accelerates, you can manipulate the variables to dramatically speed up your timeline. In its basic form, there are 3 variables in the compound interest equation. 1, how much you invest. 2, the return you earn. And 3, most importantly, the time you give it to grow. In our community, we introduce a fourth variable, one that cuts the 8 years down to almost 2 or 3. Our members are getting $100,000 in 2 to 3 years. You can't control market returns, but you can control the 4 variables. Now, you might be thinking, I'm starting too late. I'm starting too late, or I can't invest that much. Here's the reality. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time to start is now. If you're in your 40s, investing $600 per month, by the time you're in your 60s, that's about $450,000. That's definitely going to have a positive impact on your retirement, I'm sure. And if you want to see how people in our community are crushing the 8-4-3 rule much faster and achieving $100,000 in 2 years, then join our free community. This should be on the top of your to-do list, no lie. One last thing you need to understand. Every month you delay has a cost. Skipping a $600 investment today doesn't just cost $600. At a 10% return over the next few years, that delayed decision can cost you well over $10,000. Easy. That's opportunity cost, and it compounds just like interest. So here's what you need to do next. Calculate your freedom number. This is the amount you need to never work again. So generally that's 25 times your annual expenses. That's the number you need. Don't look at the number and be dismayed and think it's not possible, because it is. Join our community. We will tell you exactly what you need to do to hit your freedom number. This is not for everyone. If you have at least $1,500 per month to invest in yourself and have been stuck with trying to hit the first 100K or the next 100K, then you are exactly who this is for. Now, the next move is yours. Hey, I'm Anitra Preston, and if you like any of our content that we produce on this channel, go ahead and subscribe to it, like it, and share it, and I'll see you on the next video.